Hello gentlemen and ladies, today I will show you how to download and install Photoshop for free, full version with no bullshit and no viruses. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the description and open the first link. It's called Mediafire whatever. After that, click on the big green button that says download. Wait for 2 seconds or more to download, depends on your internet speed how long it will take. Okay, you following this mate? Alright, now when you download, drag it to your desktop and press extract here. Also, if you don't have WinRAR, which you should, it's 2018, everyone has it. I will leave link below, you can download it then. So when you extracted the folder, go inside it and you will find setup and just click on it and install. I will not install because I already have it, and yeah, you can see on the screen. Simple. Yeah, well, you should subscribe and leave in the comments below what you would like to see in next video. Alright homies, have a wonderful day and amazing night. I'm going to chill and break some shit. Peace.